If you want to free up storage on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then one of the best ways to do so is by opening Settings. Over here we need to scroll down until you find the Device Care option, and then over here we can proceed to Storage. And over here, of course, we can find the summary of our storage. You can also tap on Show More in order to find out more information about it. And this is a good indication of what you can start with. And for example, if apps take lots of space, then of course you can go over there and you can quickly see which apps you can get rid of in order to get some space back. In terms of apps, you can also find unused apps over here, which is quite relevant if you use your smartphone for at least 30 days. After that time, you will start seeing apps that you don't use or barely use on your smartphone, so you can have an idea of what you can actually get rid of, what you can uninstall. And then over here we also have some suggestions, so you can check them out as well. So in my case, I can free up 162 megabytes of space by deleting installation files that I have installed. So I can review installation files and you can decide what you want to do. In this case, of course, here below we also have different additional two things like duplicated files and large files. So if you have some duplicated files, you can tap on them in order to find all of them, and you can decide to, for example, remove them. And the same goes with large files, so files that take lots of space. If you tap on these three dots in the top right corner, you can adjust what is considered as a large file, and so you can set up the amount over here. And there's also the file type, so we can switch between all and other files, which I'm not sure how it exactly works, but yeah. So if you decide to remove something, you can of course select it in this case and then delete. And of course use these categories in order to have an idea. So for example, if your audio files take lots of space, then of course you might want to check them out. You might want to see what you have installed, what you have saved on your smartphone, and then you can decide to, for example, remove it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.